Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well. In this video, I'm currently shorting Bitcoin. Finally entered a trade after giving it enough time. I'm kind of confident. Now we've tapped the 0.88. We came so close to the golden zone, however we didn't tap it. Now we're just consolidating. We had the liquidity sweep already above this high, and also the whole trend line. So it's a trend line liquidity sweep. Entered a bit late, but better late than never. So yeah, stop loss at the highs, which may seem a bit far, but fuck it. Only risking 0.5% because I am in drawdown. Other than that, targets, clearly fib levels from the whole move up. Possibly we got, do we have a, it looks like we have a double 618. No, we don't, never mind. But yeah, just a solid 1 to 3, I guess. Golden zone, SFP that low. Could even tap the 786, but keep it there for now. And we'll see what happens. So guys, an update for the trade. You can see I do need to mention that I moved my take profit from where we actually hit, which was here, I believe. My take profit was here, but I moved it to the 0.5 because I'm an idiot. Joking. Yeah, I just wanted to be safe, I guess. Either way, it wasn't going to be a high RR trade because my entry was shit and my stop loss was too far. So in conclusion, my previous take profit is where we are, is where we hit my previous take profit, but obviously I moved it, I guess you could say, out of fear. So yeah, I didn't really monopolize on this move, but no worries, on to the next one. I entered on this 0.88 setup. However, I got stopped out for entering too early, so let's just see if full TP will hit. Then obviously setup is still A+, but entry wasn't the best. No way, no way. Trading too much on the lower time frame, etc, etc. Impatience. Alright guys, an update for the trade. Full TP hit within a healthy 2 hours 18 minutes. 3 RR. Zooming in guys, some analysis. You can see I entered way too early. I'd entered on this wick. I think something mad happened, but I'm pretty sure I shouldn't have got stopped out, but I did. But whatever the scenario, whatever the case may be, enter on the acceptance back below the 8.8. So yeah, price hit the 0.88, came straight down to the golden zone, which is the target, secured 3 RR.